What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Wednesday, July 15th, 2020. It is Tax Day 2.0. As you can see right here, I've had it marked on the calendar for some time. If you guys have waited until today to pay your taxes, I don't know what I can do for you. I did my civic duty, and I paid my taxes on January 31st this year. So if you guys waited this long, well, God bless you. We need you to pay that money today because we got another round of stimulus checks we got to get out. Let's go ahead and jump into the markets and see where we're going to be starting today off at. Gold is pretty steady. It's currently at 1810.84, but silver's made a nice jump overnight, currently at 1945, giving us a ratio of 93.08. Platinum is up a few dollars. It's currently at $846.63. And palladium is steady. It's down a little bit, but it's steady. Currently at $2039.68. In other metals markets, rhodium is down heavily. It's down $500, currently at $8,000 even. Copper's down a few cents at $2.95, and aluminum is back down. It had a big hit overnight. It is back down to 74 cents. Uranium is steady at $32.80, and barrels of crude oil are up slightly, currently at $40.88 a barrel. On Wall Street yesterday, we had a lot of gains. Pulled them out right at the very end. The Dow was opened up down quite a bit for the day, but it did climb out of its hole, and we did end in very nice positive territory. The Dow was up 556 points, closing out the day at 26,642.59. The NASDAQ was up 97 points at 10,488.58, and the S&P 500 was up 42 points at 3197.52. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, it's been pretty steady the last day or so, currently at 92.2836, and if you happen to be fans of the Utah Gold back, those are steady at 309. In today's video, we're reviewing a short article from Anna Golubova at Kitco News. This is titled, "Russia's Revenue from Gold Exports Beats That of Gas for the First Time." Russia made more money from its gold exports than from its gas exports for the first time in modern Russian history, according to data released from the country's Federal Customs Service and Russia's central bank. Russia sold a total of 65.4 tons of gold abroad, with worth 3.55 billion in April and May. In comparison, gas exports dropped to just 2.4 billion in the same time period, making it the lowest level since 2002. Gazprom has a monopoly on the pipeline gas sales in Russia. This was the first time Russia's gold exports beat the nation's gas exports since 1994, local media quoted the head of the Sustainability Risk Assessment Group at ARCA, Maxim Kodolov was saying. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably watch my channel to hear me butcher these names. We can't just get people with names like John Smith or Paul Gregory or Bruce Jones. We got to have Maxim Kudalov. Anyway, I digress. These are very surprising statistics for Russia, which has traditionally seen gas exports as the leading export commodity for its income scale. Russia gold exports jumped 14 times in comparison to the same period just last year, when Russia exported just $247 million worth of gold in April and May. In 2019 as a whole, Russia exported only $5.7 billion worth of gold, with the majority of it being sold to Great Britain. Part of the reason behind higher gold exports this year is said to be Russia's central bank's decision not to buy gold for now. The beginning of the gold mining season was also cited as another reason for rising exports. Gold prices have seen strong gains this year due to the safe haven appeal amid all of the economic uncertainty related to the coronavirus pandemic. Prices reached fresh 9-year highs this week. Like, interesting use of the word fresh, but okay. Trading above $1,800 an ounce. At the time of writing, August COMEX futures were trading at 1811.90, down 0.12% on the day. So gold is becoming a big business in Russia. Looks like they are trading in black gold for real gold, sounds like. So what do you guys think? Great Britain's buying up all that gold, huh? That's interesting. Wonder how much of that gold's coming over here to the States. Be interested to hear what you guys have to say on the topic. Let's talk about it down in the comments below. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. And if you happen to appreciate Old Indy XP, why don't you go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for me right there. It helps me out immensely. If you're brand new to the independent experience and want to keep up to date on all the latest and greatest content, why don't you consider hitting that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can be notified of when new content is coming out. Oh, this one right here. We got this. Check that box right there. Latest, one of the videos is going to pop up there.